Okay, good day everyone, and welcome to Happy Angel Readings. So, if you've been guided to this video, then this message is specially for you. A timeless reading meant to resonate whenever you find it. So, let's gently unveil what your cards have to reveal to you today. And I'll be also adding to this insightful explorations. We'll also be receiving guidance from our Angel of Abundance, which here to illuminates the energy surrounding your finances and career and path. And for the mothers of heart, we'll turn to a message from Romance Angels, no? Offering a gentle insight into your love life. So let's get your guidance, please. Give us some one card, please. One card. Guidance and message. Your collective readings were guide. We have raise and promotions. Okay, spirit guide. Now I'll be getting card to our Romance Angel. Guidance for the collective spirit guide. Forgive and learning, says your Romance Angels. Try to tell you. Okay, I've been seeing lots of need to balance and a new emotional journey. Having this Justice, Page of Cups, Page of Wands. As you could see the Justice, this card actually typically represent fairness, truth, balance, and cause and effect. No, it suggests that decisions will be based on what is equitable. You may be facing a situations where you need to be impartial and consider all sides. We also have the Page of Cups. No, you might gonna be receiving some message, no, regarding to your persons. And this is a new beginning and journey. Parang I been also see here the Five of Swords in reverse. There's a little bit conflict. And the Six of Cups. We have the of Cups. Parang someone from your past is coming back to you. And that I could also see her some water sign energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Then we have the Seven of Pentacles, being patient for the result, waiting for the result. We have the wow, parang this is trying to find some journey when it comes to your new love also, no? And then you have the Hierophant reverse. So it could suggest some unconventionality and challenge of the status quo. This also could say need to break from traditional, let's say traditional structures. It might indicate seeking a personal understanding. No, then we have the Strength. This is reverse. It's there's a little bit self-doubt, weakness, lack of courage, no? Parang overwhelming situations. And this could also say na ano, okay, let's so could also see here now there's a lot of self-doubt, lack of courage. Parang there's a presence of there's a lot of card here suggesting some questions that need to address, no? Parang this to navigate into a fairness and seeking balance with the justice. The importance of emotions and relationship here is possibly needed. It moving fast conflict also. There's an unresolved issue from the past because the reverse five of swords. I've been seeing here you might be looking back or experience a sense of nostalgic. But I've been seeing here a new beginning and exciting ventures because we have the page of wands here. So questioning about your traditional approaches or seeking unconventional path. This is reverse hierophant. I've been seeing here there's a perseverance through challenge. Parang you're about to near ending of the goal, no? Let's say karmic cycle is about to end when it comes to your love life, but they're still feeling tired, no? Having this justice, parang you're gonna be justified actually, no? You'll get there's a fairness coming. This there's a fairness coming. You'll be justified. You might be seeking justice from this water sign energy, and I could also see here that your person's having the triggering some experience or some situations that you've been shared from the past. That's why it's trigger him to contact and remember you. So expect someone from the past is coming back. No, you've been bombarding on his head. Parang it doesn't stop thinking about you. Maybe he needs some healing, no? Or maybe you need some healing, no? And I could see here one of the main problem that caused the relationship. It's about some traditions or let's say some beliefs, religions that affect the relationship. No, I've been seeing that this person still love you and cannot easily forget you or cannot easily uh, ignore you or cannot easily forget you, no? So as we've been seeing here, you're gonna have some enlightenment. The past situations that you've been, you're gonna be having those enlightenment, no? Because maybe this past persons in your life might coming back to explain things because this persons will not gonna be in peace unless na he talk to you and gives the forgiveness or healing that both of you need. Wow, no? We've been seeing here because we've been seeing here this potential feelings of weakness or a self-doubt and needing to find some inner strength through that forgiveness that he needs. It might be that person's is really having a guilt and wanted to say sorry, want to make an amends, no? And that is about your love life, no? I've been also seeing here that you are also navigating in the situations in affair and seeking balance, and you are be undergoing actually some new journey when it comes to your love life. and you might gonna be came across with a water sign energy that will heal you also from that past relationship that you got to that cleansing. Parang this is also advice to release those cleansing energy from the past, no? Because it's important for you to release that, or try to be more positive. Think of happy moments that you've been through yourself. What makes you happy, no? To change the energy. I mean, also see here that you are patiently, or maybe I could see here there's a legal battle between you of that persons. I think this is a marriage battle or getting a divorce. Some of you, no, you will gonna win this case. I've been seeing, no. Just be patient. Just incorporate your patience. Actually, patience is virtue, no, because I've been seeing here na with the Seven of Pentacles, no, just patience and there's a success on that, no. And try to be more positive on your situations. Been very tough for you lately, and at least you're awakened here. No, you're awakened and you know what you want here also in this reading. I've been also see here that you need to look back also to the previous, or you might want to have some life review. No, uh, parang you gonna get some tools on that experience, or maybe life review with the persons who think that is about to come back to you, no, life review, so that you could decide if you will accept him or accept his apology. But as you could see, our romance angel guided you here, oh, that forgiving and learning, no. That's why, yeah, you've been hurt, and but there's a new beginning towards you. I've been seeing here na you're gonna be happy of what the result maybe on this legal battle, legal matters. The judge will be favoring you, no, when it comes to this legal or divorce or anything, what fights you have. And no, and then we also have here now, I could also see here now, yes, there's still heartache on you, no, but it's all about from the past. The spirit guides want you to move on now, no, and accept those who actually hurt you, accept those apology, no, for to get some healing, no, but you have your own free will. But this is what the spirit guide tried to tell us, to tell you, especially you got the romance angel regarding to your heart, no, this telling na forgiveness, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment, no, so give that healing to others also. I could also see here on your card that you need actually to to get ready to the new journey when it comes to your love life, no. By doing that, make sure na first step, you need to release and the forgive and accept, forgive and learn something from the past, and forgive that persons and let it go, no. And that's the time you're gonna welcome the new journey to your love life, because you have the page of cups. So we've been seeing here, there's an emotional new journey, and you need to declutter, no, let's say if there's a basin, you need to declutter those emotions, release na the sad energy, no. You have the forgiving and learning there, oh. You need to forgive already. I know it's hard, but but it's up to you. But this is what the romance angel tried to tell you: forgive and forget. and at least you're gonna find some healing, so that new things will gonna happen, will so that new things will gonna come towards you. Okay, so right next we have the raise or promotions. No, that is a congratulatory card. An increase in your abundance flow awaits you, and this is the result of your positive focus and willingness to take an actions based on your divine guidance. So keep up the good work. No, as you could see, if you forgive and release something, there's a lot of blessings is about to come to you. If you let go of the past, the basin is empty, and it will put a new blessing into the basins that you let go, that you pour out. No, so it's about time to do some decluttering emotionally. Okay, so we're gonna be using also a dice. Let's get some numerology. Okay, we have whispered God, please give us. So number 6 might be play an important role into your life, or this could be January, February, March, April, May. It could be June, and I could see here 6. No, so this is the card of harmony and balance. 6 represent equilibrium, stability, and desire for peace and tranquility in all aspect of your life. No, I've seen her love and nurturing. This number deeply connected to love, caregiving, and nurturing, and compassions. When it comes to home and family, the 6 resonate with the energy of home, family, and domestic life, which emphasizes the importance of comfortability and supportive home environment. And responsibility and service these individuals influenced by the number 6 often feel very strong sense of duty and are naturally inclined to be service to other. They're often reliable, willing to take a responsibility. That might be your energy. So I've been seeing here the 666. No, you're gonna find some healing and support. 6, it has a healing and supportive energy. So it represents the ability to provide comfort, care, and assistance to those need. And in material things, we've seen here, while spiritual, 6 also understand the importance of material comfort and security, no, to provide for oneself and loved ones. Actually, this strives for stability in this area. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our reading. Take care and God bless you. See you on our next reading. And for more personal connections, I'm excited to invite you to our live streaming sessions. This is a wonderful opportunity for you to ask your burning questions directly and receive free guidance in real time. To make sure you don't miss out on this live event and future readings, be sure to hit the notifications bell. We look forward to connecting with you live. Thank you and God bless you all. Self-defeating patterns and conditioning, all of which color our views of ourselves and the world, where we are aware of it or not. Add in the chaos of modern life, and it makes sense that you might not know what to do, where to turn, or even what holding you back. But what if you had a tool that could help you not only relieve stress and anxiety, but also help you focus on self-care and get clear on what blocks your way? HAR is essential to provide answer and deliver guidance from your spirit guides and divines. HAR can give you a quality advice about all different parts of our lives, including love, career, relationship, past life, structured to the depth of your psyche, offering you insight on how to gain more control of your situations and path moving forward. In HAR, everything will be revealed to you. In HAR, you'll be gonna be enlightened, empowered, and inspired. Hello, good day everyone. Mabuhay Kabayan. I'm inviting you to join our live stream here in YouTube. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thank you.